What's up, everybody? Coming to you with my second video ever. I figured I'd give you a quick inside look at what I got going on my Bitconnect and my Davorcoin accounts, since those are pretty much the two lending platforms that I'm fully invested in. Not too much of a big investment, but an investment nonetheless. If I can get my computer to catch up, let's see if I can get that started for everybody. One moment, bear with me. So, as you can see, I logged into my Bitconnect account, and the first thing I see is a flyer for Bitconnect X. As you see, they're dropping on January 10th is when they're going to release their initial ICO. As you hear speculation from everybody, they're expecting it to be an exchange due to the X here that usually indicates an exchange. I believe myself as well as everybody else is also hoping for a new coin to come into play. I did, which, as you see, could have became very profitable from early access to those coins. So I will not miss my chance on this one. I've been, putting a little bit of money in my Coinbase account, just waiting to transfer over to make what I would like to call, hopefully, a big purchase. For the delay. My computer seems to be just taking its time today. Oh boy. Apologies for being a little glossy. Got the heat pumping over here. One moment. Boy, this is not good for first video. Give me a second. Okay. And I am back. Thanks for the patience. I have $210 invested into the platform. I just actually did another $100 reinvestment today. With an additional lock-in of an additional 120 days, going for an additional rate of 0.1% on top of the daily percentage. As you see, tomorrow is only going to be a 0.7% interest rate. Today we had a 1.57 interest rate. Probably can't see too clearly, but I earned about $3.28 off. So, I've only been on here for about, 2, 3 days. It seems to be off to a very good start. We'll keep everybody informed on that. And see if I'm able to log into my Bitconnect yet, to show you where I'm at with that. Still seems to be moving pretty slow. Seems to be having a little problem with Bitconnect right now. I don't really think it's the site. I believe it's just my computer, and this streaming is moving very, very slow at the moment. But let's just take a look at the coin market cap. See what them prices looking like real quick. I've been watching these on a daily basis, like multiple times a day ever since I made my first $3,000 with cryptocurrency. I've just been hooked ever since. I made that money off of a very low investment. If I would have known any better over the risk, I probably would be sitting somewhere along, the double-digit thousands, maybe even the triple-digit thousands right now. But I took a little small to no risk at the time. I was willing to lose everything that I put in, which was only about 50, 60 bucks. But the damn return off of that in 3 days was just ridiculous. And I wish I could repeat that. And I've been trying to repeat it ever since. Responding right now. I'm pushing the 5-minute mark. Oh, hold up. So I don't believe my laptop is able to support, you know, this type of recording. But I'm gonna try to finish this one video, and hopefully next video I'll have a different way of. Seems to be working a little better now. As you see, we are Bitcoin is sitting at about 15,000 with a current market cap of 254 billion. Ripple is still holding stronger than number two slot at $3.15 now. When I first started looking back at this, it was only about 23, 24%. I initially bought some Ripple, didn't think it was going anywhere. I sold it at $1.57. But at that point, I wasn't able to purchase too many without, messing up my other investment plans. So I put a little bit more money into that. I've actually been riding the wave up. Hopefully it doesn't go down and continue to ride up, and I will continue to ride that.